Insights into oral lesions, epidemiology and risk factors in North India, findings from a comprehensive hospital-based investigation. By Sharon John, Priya Devi and Shalini Gupta. Aim: the present study was conducted to understand the clinical profile of individuals with oral precancerous lesions or oral cancer, estimate the relative prevalence of these disorders, and test the hypothesis that chewing tobacco pan masala is a risk factor for them. Background: one of the most prevalent and deadly illnesses is oral cancer throughout the world. There are various obstacles that developing nations must overcome in order to locate and eliminate possible danger factors. Oral cancer and precancerous lesions are thought to be most strongly associated with tobacco chewing pan masala. Methodology: a hospital-based study was conducted and 471 subjects were recruited in the study. The subjects comprised patients with squamous cell carcinoma, N is equal to 85, oral submucous fibrosis, N is equal to 240, leukoplakia, N is equal to 32, lichen planus, N is equal to 15, and controls, N is equal to 99. Statistical analysis of the data was done using chi-square and regression analysis. Results: a strong correlation was observed between the presence of the chewing habit in all the oral precancerous lesions and oral cancer. Duration of the habit and intensity of habit were also strongly correlated with the risk of oral precancerous lesions and oral cancer. Other factors such as alcohol and smoking were found to be less important in concern with oral cancer and precancerous lesions. Conclusion: the Indian subcontinent bears 1/3 of the global burden. Annually, about 800,000 deaths in India result directly from tobacco-related cancers. Cancers of the oral cavity hold a critical position in healthcare systems due to the potential for early detection, which is both theoretically feasible and highly beneficial in practice. Early detection typically correlates with a significant reduction in the risk of disfigurement, recurrence, and mortality. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.